Good morning, my dear kids. God bless you. In this video, we learn which object can roll and which can slide. Differentiate between rolling and sliding. Objects with flat surface will slide. Example: book, box, chessboard, scale, mobile phone. These objects will slide. Objects that are round will roll. For example, ball, log, orange, etc. Look at here. Ball rolls and box slides. Dear kids, I will show some examples of rolling and sliding. This is the ball. The ball rolls. And this is a pen. Pen rolls. This is a apple. Apple rolls. This is a orange. Orange rolls. Next, this is a mobile phone. Mobile phone slides. Next, this is a book. The book slides. Next, we are going to learn about straight and curved lines. When you hold the piece of string tightly, you got a straight line. When you hold the string loosely, you get a curved line. Straight lines. Straight lines can be vertical, horizontal, or slanting. First one, vertical line or standing line. Then horizontal line or sleeping line. Third one, slanting line. Now take your book page number 9999. Tick the objects that roll. Put a cross against the objects that slide. Circle the objects that can roll as well as slide. Here, pencil. Is it roll or slide? Roll. So I tick it here. Then specs. Slide. So I cross it here. Then log. Rolls. Then coin. The coin can roll as well as slide. So I circle this object. Then book slide. I put a cross mark here. Then watermelon rolls. Then box. This one roll as well as slide. So I circle here. Next one, bottle rolls. Then suitcase slide. So I put a cross mark here. Color red the shapes made of straight lines. Color green the shapes made of curved lines. This object made of straight lines. So I color the red color here. This object made of curved lines. So I color the green color here. Next one, this one made of straight lines. So I color the red color here. Join the dots and color the picture. How many lines of each kind did you draw? Here, first one, vertical lines. How many vertical lines here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So, I write 11 here. Then, in the same way, you count all the lines and write the numbers here. Are you clear, children? Okay. Today's homework in maths. Do the book page number 99 and 100. Thank you, children. God bless you all.